Hello everyone and welcome to the Maestro website. In this video, I will show how to use the website. If you want more information about Maestro, please consult the CSEM website. So in this website, we have modeled a small energy district. It includes a small apartment building, different equipment to produce heat, including a boiler, a biomass, and a heat pump, different storage, including a battery and a water tank, a power to gas converter. That's a system that can produce gas by using electricity. And finally, solar panels and the small wind turbines. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can select the physical parameters of the different equipment. For example, the battery capacity in kilowatt hours. In addition, you can also set the prices for electricity, gas, and biomass. On the right-hand side, in the Day Forecast tab, you can see the forecast for the renewable energy production and for the heat and electricity demand for the next day. These forecasts, together with the physical parameters and the energy prices, are used by Maestro in order to compute an energy strategy that minimizes the energy cost for the next day. Let's launch the calculation. This could take a few seconds. Please be patient. When the calculation is completed, the simulation tab is updated with the statistics, how much electricity is bought and sold, how much gas is bought and sold, as well as the total cost. The optimal energy plan tab is also updated with the curves of the different energy components. In the first plot, you can see that Maestro decides to provide heat to the district by using the heat pump mostly, complemented by some heat produced with the biomass boiler. In the second graph, you can see the energy exchange with the grid. In the third graph, the power to gas production, which is not used in this case. And finally, the energy stored inside the hot water tank and the battery. So when you change the physical parameters or the energy prices, Maestro will adapt the strategy in order to always minimize the energy cost. For example, if I'm reducing the electricity selling price from 9 cents per kilowatt hour to just 4 cents, let's see what happens. The simulation figures were updated, and you can see that the production plan for the heat has changed. Maestro still uses the heat pump in majority, but it also uses the gas boiler during the middle of the day. In addition, it's producing gas with the power to gas system during that period of time. The reason for this is that since the electricity prices are lower, it's more beneficial to produce gas in order to exploit the electricity from the solar panels. In order to get a feeling for what Maestro can do, I invite you to play with our website. I hope this video has shown you enough to do that. Thank you for listening.